Today, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a Phantom wallet. The reason that you guys need to get one of these is because you'll actually own the keys behind your crypto, meaning that it's not stored in somebody else's wallet, but that you actually have full access to your money. Phantom wallet uses Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, and Base, so it's very versatile. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So there's basically two options when setting up a Phantom wallet. You can either get the Chrome extension or you can get the app on your phone. Both setups are fairly similar. I'm going to be doing the Chrome extension one. So the first step is to go to phantom.com and we're going to click download for Chrome. So it's going to take you to this screen, and assuming that you don't already have a Phantom wallet, we're just going to click create new wallet, and we're going to use a seed phrase wallet. Create a password, it doesn't matter what it is. Just make sure it's something that you can remember. And the next page will show you your recovery phrase. Make sure that you take a screenshot of this or save it somewhere safe, because this is the only way that you can get access to your wallet if you lose it. We're going to go ahead and click continue. Get started, and boom, we now have a Phantom wallet. So the next step will be actually putting some money into this wallet, and we can easily do that by going to receive, choosing what currency we want to receive. For example, I'll go receive some Solana. Then you can send it from your Coinbase or any other exchange that you're using. If you don't have an account in any exchanges, you can super easily click cash buy, choose how much you want to buy, and then just go ahead and click buy and buy it directly through Phantom. But yeah, anyway, that'll be it. Super short, quick tutorial. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. Anyway, you all, I'll see you in the next one.